Good day and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making this maple leaf. So you will need yarn, hook, and a darning needle. If you don't have a darning needle, your crochet hook will work fine to work in the ends. You will start this project by making a slip knot. And you will chain 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You will place one single crochet into the second chain from the hook, one single crochet in each of the next 2 chains, a half a double crochet in each of the next 4 chains, one double crochet in the next 4 chains. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. In your last chain, you will make 8 trebles. That's 1. As you make them, you will see that you automatically start to go around to the other side. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know it's a bit of a tight fit, but they will all fit. And this is your 8th one. Now you're going to work this part. In the next stitch, please work 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and I also worked in my tail at the same time. 1 half a double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. One single crochet in the last 3 stitches. That's 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch into the very first stitch you made and chain 6. This is to make the stem. 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook, 1 slip stitch in each of the next 4 chains. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. One half double crochet in the first stitch from the beginning. So the first stitch, a half a double crochet. Skip 1 stitch, and into the following stitch you're going to make the following 3 double crochet. That's 1, 2, 3, 3 chain, and into the same stitch a slip stitch. Now slip stitch into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the following stitch. In the next stitch, a half a double crochet. Next stitch, 1 double crochet. 3 trebles into the next stitch. Chain 4. Slip stitch into the same stitch that you made your 3 trebles into. Now, slip stitch into the next stitch, a single crochet. Next stitch, a half a double crochet. And then the next stitch, 1 double crochet. Into your next stitch, 2 trebles. Chain 4. Slip stitch into the same stitch. You're going to slip stitch into the next stitch. In the following stitch, you will make the following. You will make a half a double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the same stitch, and 1 treble into the exact same stitch. You will now work into the next stitch, 1 treble, a double crochet into the same stitch, and a half a double crochet into the exact same stitch. Slip stitch into the next stitch, slip stitch again, chain 4, and 2 trebles into the exact same stitch. Into your next stitch, a double crochet. Into the following stitch, a half a double crochet. And into the next stitch, a single crochet. Slip stitch again, slip stitch one more time. Into this stitch, make chain 3 and 3 double crochets into the exact same space, please. Skip 1 stitch, into the next stitch, a half a double crochet, slip stitch into your next stitch, chain 3, 3 double crochets into the same stitch, skip 1 stitch and make 1 half a double crochet in the next stitch, slip stitch into the following stitch. You can now cut your yarn or slip stitch into the next stitch. I am going to just work that away. Work your tail away and cut your excess yarn. But here you go, your own little maple leaf. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Most importantly, have fun crocheting. This is the Queen Phoenix out. I'll get you on the next vid.